Another backtesting session. I started it up, but it didn't. I guess I didn't record. But so I'm about to take a trade right here. So we had this. We had Friday's previous high right here get swept out, and we had CPI news today, or on this day in history, whatever. We had CPI data leave a crazy wick all the way down here, and we just broke bullish structure. Retest this order block, and now we're getting a 1 minute inversion as well as a change trade delivery. So I'll enter right here. Sell off of this 1 minute inversion, continuing lower. We broke bullish structure. We're now in bearish structure. So we're gonna go short all the way down to these lows. It's a good candle right there. Go ahead and go break even. This may take a while to play out. Okay, gonna go ahead and trail stop above this previous swing. There we go. Stop now trailed to this swing high. Goodness gracious. Oh, didn't get stopped. Okay, yeah, it did. Okay, out there. Really good first trade. Guaranteed this is going to end up playing out lower, though. Alright, I'm not watching this. It's another 1-for-1 so far. Really good trade. I wish it would just go to 9:30 open, bro. Like, why does it auto lock data? What the heck? Okay, well, Tuesday we had CPI. Today we have PPI, or maybe vice versa. But another crazy big candle here at 8:30. So get the wick low there. Already swept at the high. So let's see what we got in the higher time frame. Holy. Already timed a 1 hour gap. Okay, we got some highs over here. We're almost back to all-time highs. Okay. Let's see what we want to do right at open. Good move down lower. Not really doing much. We come into this, okay, we come into this 5-minute gap. Okay. We inverse this 5-minute bearish gap and we leave a 5-minute bullish gap right here and get a chance to delivery. Let's see what we get here. Why does it always do this when I switch to the 30-second? Okay, I'm gonna go long right here. Off of this 5-minute bullish gap and this 30-second inversion. Gonna just target this high up here. Place order. See if this plays out. I'm gonna go break even at this high. Break even at this high. Take profit at this high. Break even there. Full take profit smashed. Again, took this trade because it came down in this big 5-minute gap, respected it, inversed a 5-minute, left a 5-minute gap as well. So we inversed this 5-minute bearish gap, got a change in stated delivery above this candle, left a 5-minute bear or bullish gap as well. Came into that, got a 30-second inversion to the upside with strong volume, entered there. Oh no, we had 2 ticks of drawdown. But yeah, really good trade there. I mean, this model is literally insane, bro. Okay, I'm sure this will probably end up running. This may even run all-time highs. Whatever, time to go to the next session. Go to New York. All right, let's see what we have on the 1 hour. We'll start there. Oh wow, yeah, we ran all-time highs from that candle. If that trade would have held, the all-time highs would have hit. So we've got swept that all-time highs, inversed 1 hour bullish gap. We've got some fair value gaps lower to target. 4 hour gap here as well. Let's see what we want to do here. Do not come into a 15-minute gap. We don't have one. Retest that liquidity. Come into this 5-minute gap here. I didn't even see that, but probably good to see. Get an inversion here. Go short here. Targeting this untapped 4 hour gap. So the reason I'm taking this trade, because we're in clear bear structure, we retrace into this 5-minute gap right here. And then we get a 1-minute inversion. 1-minute inversion here. That's why I'm in this trade. Let's see if it plays out. Damn. Break even there. Brutal break even. That didn't even make sense that we went. Doesn't even make sense that we didn't sweep this out or anything, but I'm sure this is gonna end up playing out. No, that's weird. That's why good break even there. It's all right. Very interesting. Sweep out this liquidity. You have 5-minute gap here. Huh. Come to this 5-minute gap. Okay, I'm gonna go long. Came to this 5-minute gap. We inversed this 1 minute. So this is just the good continuation to this wick up here. Just gonna follow the trend. That's all we're doing. We're just continuing with the trend. Okay, full take profit smashed. I mean, it's so simple. You just gotta trade with the trend, guys. It's literally all there is to it. Just gotta trade with the trend. Came into a 5-minute gap, inverse to 1 minute, targeting liquidity higher. Perfect take profit. Still 100% win rate, 1 break even. Go to the next New York session. Okay. Do a couple more trades. Okay, we came down in this big 4 hour gap. We're in this big 4 hour gap. We got this 1 hour gap here. That'll be my target. We're in this 1 hour here. Okay. 15 minutes. Sweep out London lows here, or London highs rather. Looks like we want to go lower down to these London lows. See if we can get a 5-minute gap or some sort of area for us to retrace into. Oh, looks like the 5-minute. Yep. We came to that 5-minute gap. We didn't. Okay. This looks pretty good here. I'm gonna go short here. Just spoon feeding us to get entries, bro. Where's this price action? Where's this price action been, bro? Big take profit. Go break even down at these London lows and probably trail stop pretty hard. See if this plays out. Let's see. Haven't swept those lows yet. What is this price action? Could have gone break even and trailed stop, but I wanted a big aggressive entry here. But again, like we could have gone break even at any point here, trailed your stop. So I'm just targeting these bigger things just for the sake of just showing you guys what to target. But definitely could have gone break even at any point here. Out there. Could have taken profit. But who cares about that? Who wants profit? You just need a full port. Just be like Bryan, everyone. Be like Bryan. Still have conviction for these lows. And a 15-minute bearish gap here. If we get a decent move down on this next candle. Nope. Okay. Don't know why we want to go higher, but inverse is 30-second. Sweep out liquidity. Good chance of delivery. I'm going to retry these shorts. Let's send it. I'm going to go break even here in a 5-minute gap. Damn. Look at that. Damn. Try my stop or try my take profit bit. Bro, why do they not want to take out these lows, bro? What is the market doing? I'm going to add in here. Come up into a 5-minute gap. Get another inversion. Break even on this one as well. Try and stop on this one. So I get fully out here. Dang. Yep, full take profit would have been hit. Ooh, wait. Wow. Look at that edge. Look at that. Would have got break even. That's insane. That's why you trail your stop, guys. That's why you cannot be greedy. We have this clear, obvious low right here. We want to sweep out this London or this low. And look, you've missed it by a few ticks. And you got to trail your stop. Otherwise, you're going to get break even brutally there and you're going to be pissed. So. All right. Do one more trade. I'm going to put the link to my Discord in my bio. If y'all made it this far, join that up. Live stream every morning. All right. Let's get a new day. I'm thinking for my next video, I'm going to do like a Asia session backtesting. Because I know a lot of y'all trade Asia. And that would actually probably be pretty beneficial. So I definitely will be doing that. All right, last trade. Took one L. Should have been one break even though. But I wanted to just take all that profit. Give me all of it. Give me all of it. Ooh, Lord. Okay, I got this 15-minute gap up here. Bearish bias today because of this. We're in bearish structure. We broke below these lows, so we're in bearish structure, right? We're in a 15-minute fair value gap right now. My target will be this untapped 15-minute gap. A 1 hour gap here as well. Quick flip. This is kind of contradicting because we're in bearish structure, but we have came into 1 hour gap. Came into this 1 hour gap. Came in this 1 hour bullish gap, and we could go higher, but a 1 minute inversion out of it. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh. Well, that would have been the entry. 1 hour value gap, 1 minute inversion. Holy crap, it just ran up. Jeez. So we can get a 5-minute pullback. Nope. No. Oh my gosh. All-time highs there. Came into 1 minute gap, or 5-minute gap rather. Jeez. Yep, no entry. Not going to get an entry there, unfortunately. Yeah, never mind. Take a long here to these all-time highs. Pretty bad RR. But if you get a model, or if you get a trade, you got to take it, no matter what the RR is. Wow.
Order filled.
Order filled, what? Alright. Full take profit hit there. Goodness. That chop. Alright, boys. Let's see the statistics. Bang. Bang, 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 bang. Screenshot there. Yeah, that'll be it, boys. Average R 1.4 RR with an 86% win rate and a break even. So let's come to my dashboard and look at my overall stats. Overall stats, 76% win rate on the model, over 34 trades. So there's all the proof you need right there over a month and a week of data. So yeah, the model is actually insane, guys. If you have any questions, just send me a DM. If you're in the Discord, or just leave a comment. I'll answer any questions. Hope all you have a good one. Peace out.